5 seconds. Start. In the court of the civil judge, senior division, at Bengaluru, full point. Civil suit number 142 of 2023 between Mr. Arun Kumar, son of late Raghunath, aged about 45 years, residing at number 21, second cross, Indira Nagar, Bengaluru, hereinafter referred to as the plaintiff, full point. And Mr. Ramesh Sharma, son of Govind Sharma, aged about 50 years, residing at number 12 Rajaji Nagar, Bengaluru, hereinafter referred to as the defendant, full point. Next para. The plaintiff respectfully submits as follows. 1. The plaintiff is the absolute owner and possessor of the immovable property bearing municipal number 21, situated at second cross, Indira Nagar, within the limits of Bengaluru City Corporation, full point. The said property was originally purchased by the plaintiff under a registered sale deed dated 10th March 2005, executed by one Mr. Shankar, the previous owner, full point. Since then, the plaintiff has been in continuous, peaceful, and lawful possession of the property, paying municipal taxes and maintaining proper records, full point. Second, that in the month of May 2023, the defendant, without any lawful right, authority, or interest, attempted to trespass upon the scheduled property by claiming that the land belonged to his family. Full point. The defendant, with the assistance of certain unknown persons, tried to erect a temporary shed upon the northern portion of the suit property. Full point. The plaintiff, upon learning of such illegal acts, immediately registered the trespass and lodged a complaint with the jurisdictional police station. Full point. However, no effective steps were taken by the police authorities. Full point. Third, that the defendant has no manner of right, title, or interest over the scheduled property. The alleged claim made by the defendant is false, baseless, and without any documentary proof. Full point. The plaintiff apprehends that the defendant may again attempt to interfere with his peaceful possession and enjoyment of the suit property unless restrained by a decree of permanent injunction. Full point. Fourth, that the cause of action for the present suit first arose on 5th May 2023 when the defendant unlawfully attempted to trespass upon the property, and it continues to arise as the defendant has been threatening the plaintiff with forcible dispossession, full point. The suit is filed within the jurisdiction of this honorable court as the property is situated within its territorial limits, full point.